Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going way back, to a time when phones didn't have apps, touchscreens, or even Wi-Fi. This little legend here is the Nokia 5000D-2, released in 2008. Yes, over 15 years ago. So what happens if you try to use it in 2025? Let's find out. First, the design. It's tiny, lightweight, and colorful. The kind of phone you could drop 100 times and it would still work. This one has that classic Nokia candy bar style with a bright 2-inch screen and those firm, clicky buttons that feel so good to press. And let's be honest, it's refreshing to hold something this small again. No huge displays, no camera bumps, no stress. Just a simple phone that fits perfectly in your hand and in your pocket. Now, what can it actually do in 2025? Well, it's not a smartphone. No apps, no internet, no touchscreen. But it can still make calls, send SMS, and even play music through its MP3 player. You can also take photos with its 1.3 megapixel camera. And yes, they look like they came straight from 2008. But here's the magic. This phone still turns on instantly, the menus are fast, and the battery lasts for days. You don't have to worry about charging it every night or getting lost in notifications. It's just peaceful. The camera is obviously simple. No autofocus, no filters, just pure nostalgia. But every photo feels like a memory frozen in time. Grainy, colorful, and real. And the ringtone? Classic Nokia sounds that instantly bring back memories of the 2000s. This phone also has Bluetooth and FM radio, features that were a big deal back then. And yes, you can still use it to listen to music with wired earphones. It's old school, but it works. So using the Nokia 5000 in 2025 is like stepping into a simpler, quieter world. No apps, no distractions, just calls, texts, and that unbeatable Nokia durability. It's a reminder of when phones were about communication, not consumption. If you're tired of constant notifications and social media noise, maybe it's time to bring back something like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little throwback, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Which old Nokia phone should I test next?